install Python. So for installing Python, go to Google, download Python. The next step is install. And after installing, go to command prompt and check whether Python is installed or not. So you can check by using Python hyphen version. Third point, install Jupyter, then open Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I will show these 4 steps. First, we will go to google.com, new tab, search here. First of all, I will clear these all drawings. So Python download Python, get the standalone installer for Python 3.14.6. Yes, it is getting download is in progress. Open that .exe, run. So check add python.exe to path. Just please check this checkbox, tick this checkbox. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. It is optional. Install now. Python setup is done. So what we have to do now? So Windows R, Windows key and R, CMD, type CMD, and here you have to write Python hyphen version. So yes, our downloaded version and the showing version both are similar. So not to worry. Python -m pip install Jupyter Notebook. It will work. If you are getting any error, then use Python -m pip install Jupyter Notebook. So write Python -m Jupyter Notebook. So it will open a browser. In that browser, we will see Jupyter Notebook. So it is automatically opening Jupyter Notebook. Okay, here you can go new Python 3. Okay, new Python 3. Okay, here you can write print hello Python and execute by using shift enter. Hello Python.